When people hear the word grit, they often think it means pushing through forever, grinding, endurance, never giving up. And that is not how I define grit. No. In the confidence recipe, grit is the first ingredient, and it shows up much earlier than people think. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I am the woman I needed when I was a young girl, and the author of Mix, Stir, Rise, a girl's recipe for confidence that grows with her. So, in my experience, grit isn't about how long you last. It's about whether you start. Grit is the moment you feel fear and you step forward anyway. It's curiosity. It's trying something new without knowing how it will turn out. It's raising your hand or hitting record, walking onto the field, or saying yes before you feel ready. Grit, to put it simply, is courage in motion. And that's why it comes first in the recipe. Before confidence can grow, something has to begin. Most girls don't struggle because they quit too early. They struggle because they never start. Not because they're lazy or unmotivated, but because fear, it just gets in the way. Their fear of embarrassment, fear of judgment, fear of, not being good enough. Grit doesn't erase that fear. It moves with it. In the recipe, grit is the ingredient that gets everything into the bowl. Nothing else matters until something begins. Later on, other ingredients take over. There's another ingredient that helps keep you going after setbacks and failure, and it's not grit, that's moxie, and we'll talk about that. But grit is the spark. It's the courage to try. And for many girls, especially early on, it's the ingredient that they need. If this way of thinking about confidence makes sense to you, the next step is seeing how each ingredient works. You can explore Moxie and critical thinking inside the Confidence Project on my YouTube channel.